Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. In this video, we're diving into 8 cool new tech gadgets that are set to shake up 2025. From powerful smart tools to game-changing innovations, these gadgets are designed to upgrade your lifestyle, boost convenience, and turn heads. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss what's coming next. The Unitree G1, a humanoid AI robot redefining agility and intelligence. Standing at 130 centimeters and weighing just 35 kilograms, it boasts extraordinary flexibility with up to 43 high-torque joint motors, enabling dynamic movements like squats, backflips, and complex gestures. Its three-finger dexterous hand offers advanced force control, capable of handling delicate tasks with precision. Equipped with 360-degree vision through LiDAR and depth cameras, G1 navigates its surroundings with ease. Designed for research, robotics development, and interactive applications, it integrates reinforcement learning and imitation-based AI to continuously evolve. With support for secondary development, Jetson Orin computing, and tactile upgrades, the G1 isn't just a robot, it's a learning, adapting intelligent agent ready to collaborate with the future. Step into the future of 3D scanning with the Revopoint Trackit, a cutting-edge, markerless optical tracking system built for speed and precision. Featuring a durable carbon fiber frame and powered by high-accuracy blue laser tech, this all-in-one solution captures everything from intricate details to large-scale objects with ease. The dual-camera base station works in harmony with 30 cross-line lasers and a smart anchor system, delivering seamless, high-detail scans, no messy prep required. From deep crevices to complex geometries, Trackit's single-line mode makes nothing off-limits. Enjoy lightning-fast calibration thanks to its automated system that slashes setup time in half. Whether mounted or handheld, it fits right into your workflow with Revopoint's FreevoScan software and full support for CAD-ready exports. If you're looking for clean, efficient, and accurate 3D scanning, Trackit gets it done. The GenePro G1 Rangefinder is built to elevate your game with precision and strategy. Use scan mode to analyze the course and strategize every swing, while the magnetic bottom keeps it secure and accessible. Its distinctive rotating slope switch and smart slope tech ensure accuracy in every shot. With 690-yard flag lock, auto dual display switch, and auto rain fog detection, it adapts to any condition. The unique diopter dial and 95% super transmittance offer crystal clear visuals, and its 7.9-degree mega field of view expands your course awareness. Featuring optimized pin-seeking tech, 165-yard point-to-point measurement, and pinpoint green technology, the G1 helps you master the green with every shot. The Dooreemee hidden camera detector is your compact safety companion, combining advanced protection features in one stylish device. With single detection mode, it prevents tracking and eavesdropping by scanning suspicious areas. Just long press for 3 seconds to adjust sensitivity and detect GPS trackers or check your hotel room's safety. Switch to infrared detection mode to scan hidden corners and uncover any candid camera equipment, ensuring your privacy is protected. Its built-in light offers 3 brightness levels, while the women's siren and SOS signal light enhance personal safety. Use it to safeguard your sleep and prevent intrusions, giving you peace of mind anytime, anywhere. The Ride1Up Portola, the compact folding electric bike designed for urban commuting and road tripping freedom. Powered by a 750-watt hub motor with 65 newton-meters of torque, it climbs hills and cruises city streets effortlessly. Reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour with pedal assist or 20 miles per hour using the throttle for a versatile ride. Choose between a 10.4-hour or 13.4 amp-hour battery to get a range of 20 to 45 miles based on your journey needs. The Portola is UL 2849 and 2271 certified for top-tier safety, giving you reliable performance with every ride. Its lightweight alloy frame folds quickly for easy storage, while integrated components deliver a clean, stylish look. Whether you're commuting daily, exploring on weekends, or packing light for a trip, the Ride1Up Portola blends power, portability, and value in a sleek e-bike built for today's fast-moving world. The lightweight bicycle pump, also known as the tiny tire pump, is a compact powerhouse equipped with ACS tire pressure monitoring and a high-precision gauge for accurate readings. Powered by a high-speed brushless motor and active cooling system, it delivers rapid inflation with impressive speed and efficiency. Capable of up to 5 full inflations on a single charge, it features auto shutoff for safety and convenience. Despite its powerful performance, it's ultra-compact and includes a smart taillight with always-on, flow, and flash modes, offering over 12 hours of lighting time. The device fully charges in just 35 minutes, making it the ultimate tool for cyclists seeking power, precision, and portability. The Lectron Vortex plug, the game-changing EV adapter that opens the doors to 15,000-plus Tesla supercharger stations for non-Tesla electric vehicles. Designed for CCS1-compatible EVs, this NACS to CCS adapter lets you tap into Tesla's powerful V3 and V4 superchargers, delivering lightning-fast charging up to 150 miles in just 15 minutes, thanks to its 500 amps, 1,000-volt rating. Built tough with advanced locking mechanisms on both ends, the Vortex plug ensures a stable, high-speed connection every time. Whether you're on a road trip or just topping up, this adapter transforms your charging experience by bridging CCS and Tesla's NACS standard, making range anxiety a thing of the past. The Shark NeverChange Compact Pro, your reliable, compact solution for all-day clean air. With CleanSense IQ, this smart purifier monitors and displays real-time air quality, so you're never left guessing. Its Pure Shield filtration system goes beyond standard HEPA performance, capturing 99.98% of allergens, dust, smoke, and pet dander across all modes. Thanks to NeverChange filter tech, you'll enjoy up to 5 years of powerful purification without the hassle or cost of frequent replacements, saving you up to $150. Designed for spaces up to 250 square feet, it's packed with features like odor-neutralizing technology for fresher air and a quiet mode for undisturbed sleep. With the Shark NeverChange Compact Pro, clean air is effortless, continuous, and worry-free. Thanks for watching, tech enthusiasts. If you enjoyed discovering these cool new gadgets of 2025, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech content. Drop a comment below and let us know which gadget impressed you the most. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative.